Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mila B. I know it's been a minute, but with everything going on in the world, I had to take a minute to I needed God to help me and just clarify things and get my mind right. It's a lot. And being a black woman, having black children, black family, it's overwhelming. So I just had to take a step back and ask God to give me peace and guidance during all this. And yeah, that's really it. So finally back doing a nail video, and on this video I actually got this idea from Femi. I will link her in the description box with why I chose to do my nails like this. Also, I used a nude color instead of a clear because my nails are stained from me recently dyeing my hair, so I wanted a nude to kind of hide that. But that's pretty much it. I will put all the products that I use in the description box. Also, I'll put a link to how you can help with the whole Black Lives Matter movement. There's plenty of organizations, different things. I know we all have different gifts and talents. So just whatever suits you that you can help with this movement. So thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for tuning in. If you watched my video to the end today, be blessed, and I'll see y'all on my next video. Mila B out.